Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your headphones Philips keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommend to perform a software set. To perform a software set, you need to locate power button at your right ear cup, and here we have it. Press and hold it to turn off your headphones, and after that, press and hold to turn on your headphones. Your headphones reconnect to your phone automatically, but sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically. So go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and tap at your headphones here. Now check if the software set helps you. Amazing. If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. And it's pretty easy at these headphones. All you need to do is just press and hold at the same time volume control buttons. So right here we have volume up and volume down buttons at the same time until the LED light near to the power button starts blinking blue. So let's do this. Press and hold. Now it's blinking blue. Then we need to reconnect these headphones with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. And at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget this device and forget device. But also you may have or forget device or unpair or maybe remove. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you need to click Refresh button if you have this button. Then, after factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your headphones. And we just reconnect them. Now check, is it fixed? If it didn't help you, I have one more solution to you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. If it's okay for you, let's do this. Firstly, I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have systems what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. Okay, now on your iPhone you need to open settings and go to the general settings. So click at the general line, scroll down, right here at the bottom we have transfer reset iPhone line. Tap at this line, then click reset. In this window you need to select reset network settings, because there is no reset Bluetooth settings and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. Now write your password and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to the System. So scroll down, System, scroll down again. At the bottom, we have Reset Options. Tap at this line, at least on stock Android we have it here. Click on it and you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And then click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!